starting with the Map Input tool in ALTERYX is a tool used to input spatial data into your workflow. It's specifically designed to handle geographic data, such as points, lines, and polygons, and is often used in conjunction with other spatial tools in ALTERYX for tasks like geocoding, spatial analysis, and visualization. Then after, the Text Input tool in ALTERYX is a powerful tool used to manually input or create structured data directly within your workflow. It allows users to define the schema, column names, data types, and values of their dataset without the need for an external data source. This is particularly useful for creating sample datasets, testing workflows, or scenarios where the data is not readily available in a file or database. Then after, the Autofield tool scans the data to determine the smallest possible string type and length which will contain the data. This reduces resource consumption and can result in significant speed improvements for your workflow. In the example to the left, the state and city columns have been changed from string length of 254 each to 20 and 57, respectively. Then after, create sample is specify the percentage of rows that are desired in the estimation and validation samples. If the combined total is less than 100%, the remaining rows are returned in the holdout sample. Then after, in ALTERYX, the data cleansing tool is used for various data cleaning operations, which are essential for preparing data for analysis. This tool provides a range of functionalities to address common data quality issues and inconsistencies within datasets. Some key features of the data cleansing tool include removing duplicates, standardizing data, handling missing values, data type conversion, pattern matching and replacement, custom rules and expressions, preview and validation,